I got my tablet. Yes, school good again.
Before you sign in with your account, here are a few things you need to do to prepare your device. First, you have to make sure that your phone is locked. It can be a password, a PIN, or a pattern. And remember, it has to be something you can remember. Okay, so after you have created a lock on your phone, you can go ahead and download the app. Using an Android phone or tablet? Okay, let's go to the Play Store. Great. Now I want you to search for Google Apps Device Policy. Remember, this is essential for everything to work. Yeah man, you reach there now. Install it. Remember, follow my instructions step by step.
No Gsuite account found in this device?
Now that it is asking you for a Gsuite account, use the one that is provided by your school.
Remember now, put in your Petersfield High School account. Put in the password.
Yes, click agree. Wait! Wow! Stop! Close off the app. Don't worry about it not being installed. Okay, so I know I told you to close it, but I'm going to want you to open it back. Okay, follow the screen. Make sure that you check I don't want a work profile. Great. Continue. Activate. And enforce. Now, you see how that easy? You see that?
Thank you, Midwest. If this video helped you, remember to like, comment, and share it to all of your fellow students.
For more tips and tricks, check out Likkle Wizzies. And remember, subscribe.
Remember now, like, comment, and subscribe. And share it to your friends so they don't have a problem logging. Subscribe and stay tuned for more tips and tricks for your element.